Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 250D AMG Line Premium Plus. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle, and this car has a really nice specification. I'm just going to run you through some of the features you get. To begin with the exterior features, you've got the polar white paint. You've also got the night package as an added optional feature. You can see some of the exterior trim finished in gloss black, such as the roof rails, the alloy wheels in black with a diamond turned finish, some of the trim on the front, the mirror caps as well. You've got privacy glass as well. The running boards on the side of the car are an optional feature. LED tail lights are standard, and your LED daytime running lights with the bi-xenon headlights. You've got a full leather interior with lumbar support for the driver and the passenger, as well as the full electric functions on the door cards with the memory settings as well. That's part of the Premium Plus package. You also get the Harman and Kardon surround sound system as part of this package, the keyless go comfort package with the push to start button, the panoramic glass sunroof above, and also the parking pilot with the 360-degree camera, which is accessible on the center console display. You've got a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel as standard, with access to cruise control as well. Your infotainment system controls on the center console, your climate control functions. You've also got heated seat controls, and on the center screen you've got access to some of your infotainment features such as digital radio. If you would like any more information on this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 250D AMG Line Premium Plus, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.